Here's a jig I made for small parts on the table saw. One-handed. It's got a pressure held by the board here on the front, and then on the back side it's got a pusher. It'll push it right into the blade, and it all sits on top of the fence. I made a sacrificial fence, and then this sits right on top and glides right along all the way through. It doesn't really work well for long boards. As you can see, it comes off the table. Small parts, keep your fingers out of the way of the blade. It really does. It helps out a lot. So I'll show you how it works. One-handed, easy operation. I think it'll come in handy. Let me know what you think.